To fold a paper heart, first fold a square piece of paper in half diagonally and unfold it. Then fold it in half diagonally the other way and unfold it again. Rotate the paper so one of the corners is at the top. Then fold the top corner down to the horizontal middle crease. Next, fold the bottom corner up to the top edge. Take the right side of the bottom edge and fold it up the vertical middle crease. Now do the same thing with the left side of the bottom edge. Flip the paper over, then fold in the left and right corners to hide them. Finally, do the same thing with the top two corners. Flip your paper heart back over and you're finished.